My name's Stephen Rowe. I'm the maintenance team leader in our Watco Warwick facility. Watco is an American-based rail company. They merged into Australia. Started off in Perth, they later merged into Queensland to service a couple of new contracts in the cattle and grain industry. When they first come to Queensland, they acquired a number of old cattle wagons that were originally QR cattle wagons. Brought them back to our Warwick maintenance facility to go over them and get them fit for service. They soon realised the floors were not in ideal condition, posed a lot of risk for animal welfare. They decided to remove the entire deck and lay a new 5mm stainless floor over the top with the rubber matting on top of that. We trialled a number of different rubber mats. When it come to durability, the YoungStar 32 ticked the boxes when it come to animal welfare and the anti-slip characteristics of it. Some of these cattle have to travel from far north Queensland down to southeast Queensland, sometimes thousands of kilometres. So it was important for us to keep their comfort and welfare in mind when selecting products for this deck modification. I'd recommend anyone looking for rubber matting or similar products for a certain application to check out Numat's range. Overall, I think Numat were great to deal with. Their product definitely ticked all the boxes for us, and it definitely helped us service the needs of our customers.